Now, veteran track and field coach Michael Carr, who has been at the helm at Woolmer's Girls for close to 40 years, says he has mixed feelings about Jamaican track and field legend Shelly Fraser-Pryce's decision to retire. Fraser-Pryce attended Woolmer's Girls from 1999 to 2006.
A three-time Olympic gold medalist and 10-time world champion, Shelly Fraser-Pryce bid farewell on social media on Tuesday as the most decorated 100-meter sprinter of all time.
To see Shelly going out, it's a kind of bittersweet feeling. Bitter at the fact that she's leaving, but sweet at the fact that the impact she has made globally is what I'm happy and proud about. And nobody knows the story like I do. I can say that anytime, anywhere, because the nurturing year was when it all really got going.
Despite the exit of a legend like Fraser-Pryce, Carr is confident Jamaica has the proper infrastructure to keep fostering world-class talent.
Yeah, what we have lost some before, right? So it's nothing new. But I always say Jamaica is like Brazil. How Brazil gets footballers, the same way Jamaica gets sprinters. So we will always have turning. Because remember, our system, I don't think there's another one like that in the world. Starting from basic school champs come right up. So we will always be producing, always.
Tina Clayton, who won a world championship,
No need to panic, no need to worry. Because they are coming. When you look, we have the twins coming. You look in the high school system. You have the Douglas them coming out of that. You have our girl from Lacovia, right? So there are persons coming in the wings. We'll never be out of sprinting. It's our I would say DNA. It's in our genes to be sprinters.
The 38-year-old Fraser-Pryce finished her career at last month's World Athletics Championships in Tokyo, adding a silver in the 4x100-meter relay to take her overall World Champs medal tally to a stunning 16. Daniel McLeod, TVJ Sports.